There it was, an abandoned 1985 Ford E-Series ambulance, rusted, faded, a former lifesaver now waiting for its own rescue. I wasn't looking for a project, but when I saw it, something clicked. Step 1, cleaning it out. Inside, I found a suspiciously ancient granola bar, a rusted oxygen tank, and a squirrel family who had clearly claimed it as their home. After evicting my furry tenants, I tackled the body. The rust was so bad I considered leaving it as a post-apocalyptic art piece. The engine was a lost cause, seized up tighter than my back after a long day of wrenching. I swapped it with a rebuilt V8, replaced every hose, and prayed to the automotive gods. The first start, a sputter, then silence, then life. The roar of an engine that hadn't been heard in years. I may have done a victory dance, no one can prove otherwise. Next came the paint. I debated something flashy, maybe flames, but in the end, I went classic, white with a deep red stripe. Inside, I swapped the old medical cabinets for a mini fridge and a fold-out couch. The sirens? I kept them. People stared. Some smiled. One guy looked really confused. But for me, it was pure joy. The rusted relic was now a rolling masterpiece. Restoring this ambulance wasn't just about fixing metal. It was about proving that anything, no matter how broken, can have a second chance. And now, I've got the coolest ride in town. Just don't ask me to give anyone a ride to the hospital.